Hello everyone, just a quick tutorial on how to reverse bay park, the 45-degree angle. So the car is moving, line up the wing mirror on the cones, but this to be the bay line. So the line on your right hand side, line up, and then we're going to lock the wheel to your left. You can turn it all the way to lock to your left. You can see the wheels. When you lock, you're going to keep turning until you can see the corner of the second line, the bay, into which you're going to park in your right wing mirror. And when you see that, you're going to then lock the wheel all the way around to the opposite side. You can see it's in the mirror. Then look all round observation. You're going to reverse nice and slowly until you can see the corner, the top corner of the left side in your left wing mirror. And then you're going to stop. You're going to remove the lock. And then that's going to bring the car straight into the bay. Okay, I've been practicing that during my driving lesson today, and it really worked. So you can do that as well. Thank you.